baby. Yes, sir, on the beautiful H2. We're gonna be going and practicing some launches today. So y'all get ready for some fun. I'm also gonna talk to y'all about some wild stuff. So, your boy got fired from his job, bruh.
Thank you. Fired. I beg your pardon? Fired. But
I got fired, man. It is what it is. It happens. It's part of life. You know what I'm saying? But in all honesty, I feel like it was retaliation. I brought up some stuff that you probably shouldn't bring up in a corporate place that they probably aren't gonna like, such as the union and OSHA and stuff. I brought up some stuff in the past in that place, man, and I'm not gonna mention the name of the place that I was working at, but just because, I don't know, for one, that's petty. For two, legal reasons, I could definitely get in trouble for talking about them and throwing shade, if I did throw shade, which I'm not going to. It is what it is. Some stuff happens, man. They decide to lead like a bunch of illiterate people. I don't know how better to put that. I mean, I got a lot of stuff that I could say, but that's the nicest way I can put that, bro, is that they're 100% illiterate, don't know how to run a business. Management is terrible. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't see myself or anyone that say or being able to retire there in another 25, 30 years or whatever it may be. But that's not the path I was really trying to take anyway. I want to build my own business. I want to be my own boss. You know what I mean? That's the whole thing with the YouTube channel, baby. That's why I started it. And this man right here has been such a big inspiration for me. Seeing the beautiful bikes that he's been able to get through this and everything, and all the awesome people that he's met, and the lifelong friends, man. And not just him, but me. I've gained so many lifelong friends and stuff as well. I want to work for myself. That's the move. Working for a corporation isn't it, especially if they're lazy or don't know how to manage a place. And that's not my first job or nothing like that. I've definitely worked at some other spots as well. For probably about a bunch of other companies too, man. It's not like my first job or nothing. I am a younger fellow. I'm a younger guy. I am. I'm only 23. I've had like probably 5 jobs or 6, something like that, maybe 7. I don't know. I got a decent amount of experience under my belt, but I know how a place should be managed and shouldn't, to some degree at least. I'm not saying that I would be the best manager in the world. I'm not saying, I'm sorry for the whistle, I just closed my visor. That was crazy. I've done a couple other things, man. I've worked for some other companies. I used to work for a reupholstery business and stuff, man, and I've worked in the food industry. I've worked in the carpet cleaning stuff. I've done that, entertainment, and like, you know, where you would take your kids to hang out on like a Saturday night and stuff. Roller skating, stuff like that, man. You know, and then I worked at this job that I just got fired from 4.5 years, bro. 4.5 years is what I put in there. And I didn't plan on staying there anyway, so it's kind of like I'm not upset about it too bad. Plus, I know I got you all. I know I got y'all, the awesome Fast Lane gang, baby. I know y'all gonna help a brother out a little bit. Share this video, man. Help me out. Your boy needs it, that's for sure. We're trying to make it through. I would love to do this full time at some point. I'm not making nearly enough off of this. I'll show y'all my revenue if you want. If that's something y'all would want to see, is how much I'm making off of YouTube. It's not much, bro. It's really not. But if you want to see it and you're interested in seeing that, I'll show you all, man. If y'all could share this video, man, and help a brother out and potentially reaching the goal of making this his lifelong dream and fulfilling it, of doing this for a living, that would be amazing. I would love y'all, man. I already do love y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I'd love you that much more. I would literally love you that much more. I post like every single day. Speaking of which, since now I seem to have a little bit of time on my hands, be expecting like daily uploads for a little while. I'm gonna try and upload every day or every other day. Some of the videos might take a little bit longer to edit just because they're like good like that.
I have to break your neck.
It just broke my neck. I just broke my neck. I thought he was pointing at something. I was like, what? I can't wait for y'all to hear that thing on launch control, man. This thing is wicked. Tell me that don't sound like a Honda. Tell me that don't sound like a Honda. That thing sounds so wicked like that. Tell me it don't sound like a Honda, bro. I wasn't expecting him to do it right there. That's why I love this man, bro. We be just riding and then he'll randomly get off the bike and start talking at a red light or something. I love that. That's great. You're like, oh God, what's he doing? Light's about to turn, bro. Light will turn green as soon as he gets off the bike. He's already got his back facing the light. That's great. This is something that I would love to do full time. If you actually do that, that'd be sweet. Like, I'm not even trying to, you know, make excuses or nothing like that. I've definitely done some stuff in the past that could have got me fired in that place and didn't get fired because nobody ever found out and stuff. So stuff like that, man, I don't stress that too much. I try not to. It's not something that you can control. You know what I mean? Only worry about the stuff that you can actually control. And that's not in my control. So why would I be worried about it? Now something I do got to worry about is my next job. And hopefully y'all can help a brother out. I know the bike life community got me, man. We always there for each other. We really are. We're always there for each other. I'm still breaking these tires in, big dog. I will tell y'all the reasoning that they said they fired me. The reasoning that they said they fired me is profanity. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. Do I cuss every now and then? Okay, maybe. Do I in a professional setting when it you know shouldn't be happening, like in a business meeting or something? Absolutely not. Holy that bike just went. If y'all haven't already, go and check out the Fast Lane Gang website, baby. It's my boy's website up here. You see a t-shirt or a hoodie or a key tag like this. If y'all got any good job offers or anything, send them your boys' way. So I'll tell y'all what I was doing. I was doing factory work. It was factory work. I would like to do commission or something. I think I would do really well in commission. I got a pretty solid work ethic, I think. I think that I would just bring in more average monthly that way rather than hourly, if that makes any sense. I don't want to put my work on an hourly rate. Does that make sense to you all? And I'm also comfortable like potentially taking a couple months of L's and learning in order to figure this stuff out. Whatever it is, you can still get the initial hit. I mean, that's what really matters. That's what you really got practice. The 100 to 200 feet after. Now on that bike though, I don't know, you might need to practice a little more though. That bad boy got superchargers. Oh yeah. I hit the wheel. Y'all can even hear that. That one better? Is that one better? There you go. Yeah, I ain't never even tried launch control on this. I don't even know how to turn it on. I I would prefer to launch it myself. I feel like I can get a better launch, honestly. Like, not just, like, not doing a wheelie. I mean, like, getting gone. Damn, that's a nice house. See, when you own your own business, you can own a house like that. Working for somebody else, you can't do that, man. You can't. It's just not how the world works. Depending on what your job is. Yeah, you can, but you're a lot more likely to own a house like that if you work for yourself. That's the goal, man. That would be greatly appreciated if y'all would help me out, man. Go on and subscribe. You ain't gotta send me no money. I ain't asking you to send me no money, but subscribe, baby. It's free.
What you doing on the R1?
How do I turn it on?
I have no idea. You might have to Google that one.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to Google that. Oh, that says on moto, baby.
Oh, yeah. Hold down the mode button. Like in neutral, hold down the mode button.
Oh, I got it. It did something. It did something over there.
There you go. Yeah, see, that's exactly what it is. Yeah.
Alright, alright. We're gonna try this here launch control, I reckon. Dylan got me out here trying some sketchy
Yeah, why not? You know what I'm saying?
Why not? You only live once, I guess. That did not. Hold up. There it is. I never launched one like this. Huh? Sick, bro. It does work pretty well, I will say that, but I would definitely be cautious of it potentially failing, because launch controls, I don't know if y'all have ever seen that. That's pretty sick.
You what?
That's pretty sick,
Yeah,
honestly.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It works better than I thought it would.
Yeah, I agree. It just gives you all the power.
I was like, I don't know about this bro. I'm
Might as well just fuck it.
I'm at like 9 grand right now in first gear, bro, and this want me to dump the clutch. You don't have lift control. Does it have lift control or something like that?
No, just traction control.
Damn.
Yeah, no lift control.
That's something. This thing's got that and that thing.
Yeah. At least you have that.
Yeah.
That's all you listen. Fuck it. Figure it out.
Yeah, I mean, the lift control, bro, it worked. Whenever I took off, I was like, damn, this motherfucker is like a bullet. I don't know if I could have launched it harder myself. Maybe.
I feel like you gotta practice it.
Yeah. It's one of those things where if you practice it, you will be able to.
That's something you gotta practice.
I don't really ever launch a street bike, man. It ain't. I used to drag race dirt bikes and stuff all the time.
I'm gonna go a little bit further down. You're crazy.
Oh no!
Yeah, this should be fine.
It's good, damn. I just wanted to come on here and update y'all with my life, bro. We got some BS going on, but it is what it is. Man, that's an awkward looking turn. You couldn't even see the road for a minute. That's what's crappy about a lot of our roads out here, man. You can't really see the road a lot of the time. You've been gassed. Oh yeah. Have you all ever had somebody at work pretty much try to get you fired? Well, this time it worked. It worked for him, I guess. Oh, whatever. Well, that was funky. I didn't know if the road went left or right. God dang. He just hit it for a whole minute, boys.
How loud is it?
Loud as shit. You hit it for like a whole minute. Right there.
Really? Yeah, I did go for a while.
Yeah, you hit it for like literally a whole minute. I was like, dang y'all.
I was like, why not? Let's get up out of here.
Yeah. You done probably caught some attention.
Oh, dude, that's what I'm like looking around me again.
I know, I'll be looking around while I was filming. I was like, damn, this they're gonna pull up on me. I'm gonna have his phone, I'm gonna have to throw it in my pocket and try and grab it. And go.
And just stop.
Oh, he got bugs in his helmet.
Fast, man.
So what are they? They go straight through that visor, don't they? When you hit 200, they go straight through the visor. Oh man, this thing sounds so pretty. Whoa, they about pulled out in front of us. Like 100%. Hell yeah, that's RSV4, what? What the hell? Where'd they come from?
Never seen one of those.
Nah, he must be from out of state.